Sage. Today I'll be doing a vlog, and we're at Target. Girl section, my section. I'm a size 7'8", so... Oh yeah, and I got a Baby Lips Crystal in Crystal Kiss. This looks really, it's like a really pretty peach color. I really like it. Just looking at clothes. We were at TJ Maxx. Now we're not. We're at Target now. I really want to get this for some reason. It looks so cute. Who doesn't want, what's her name? Rainbow Dash on her, on you. Where's clearance? I always look at clearance first because Target's kind of expensive, I have to say. Well, I got a bathing suit here once, so pretty. Oh, it's this one. It's so pretty, but the buttons are like so like, I like high-waisted bottoms, even though I don't have them. They would just look better on me. Since I hate bikinis. I only have one bikini. I'm sad, but I hate them. They have all these like weird stuff in clearance. Let's look at the actual clothes. I really like their shorts. Oh my gosh, this bag is really pretty. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I don't know where my mom is. I think I lost her. I think hello. Anywho, this is what it looks like. I can't really open it up because I have that's probably all I'm getting. I don't really get clothes. But these are pretty cute shorts. These are not my size. This is my size. I actually have these shorts. I wore them in my 4th of July outfit ideas. So yay. I don't want people see me with the vlog cameras. I'm like hiding. Let's go look at the new clothes. I like when they like put out new clothes. Oh my gosh, isn't this really pretty? That's really pretty. I should get it. I don't really wear being so good. Wowzer, this is pretty. Wait, it's inside out. What the? This is what it looks like. Isn't that really pretty? Oh, and I always wanted this. They don't come in my size. You know how I'm like obsessed with cats? But yeah, that's what I want. And these skirts are really cute. I want one so bad. And they're selling crop tops. Like, what? Like, what? Like, what? Why am I saying that a bunch of times? This is actually really cute, but it looks too, like, mature for me. I feel like when I wear it, I'll be like, this stylish. Some of these clothes are, like, really, like, childish. Like, what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, their new clothes aren't that cute. Now they have, like, hoodies. Floral. They can't just, like, make it, like... I'm, like, saying a bunch of talks, like, for 3 minutes. I just walked by. He's really cute. OMG. I really like shirts with, like, pictures on them. I've always wanted overalls like this. Never got them. Ever. These are kind of cute. They're like ombre. I'm getting tired of being here right now. Mom says you have to stay here. Let's go look at the accessories. I can see myself in the mirror. You can tell. Using a phone. Horrible editing. So, yeah. Who should you subscribe to? My shout out today is Nicole. I forgot your last name. It starts with an O, but it's like Nicole Olivit. Sorry, I just forgot it. I know it starts with an O, but it's Nicole. I'll tell you it down below. And yeah. I just came to the pool area. Let's just walk away. said this, but I get like baby looks every time I come here. I only have like 2. Need my beard to sleep. I don't have cute pajamas. I need cute pajamas. I want cute. Oh, this is so cute. That's freaking adorable. I have to admit it. Oh, this is cute. Jammin'. Where did they say jam? Oh, look, never mind. I thought they meant like jam because it's like a strawberry. I don't know. People are coming. So just looking around. Like Fiesta, like there is no banana. Okay. So this might be a really cool vlog, and I'm probably like really sad, but if I talk loud, people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're posting a YouTube video. What the heck? Close up. I'm like doing like this. I should be doing like this. I might start a new vlog channel, but I think I should wait because I feel like people are not gonna like subscribe to it. They're just gonna be subscribed to my main channel. Then if I like do vlogs on my vlog channel, I'll forget about my main channel. Then so then I'll be like, oh, I have to edit this, I have to edit that. So yeah, I'm looking at clothes that I don't like. These shorts are cute. I like saying all the stuff that I like. So what's new? Have you had a good day? People are coming, so I'm running away. Oh my gosh, that was a weird face. Try to do 2 chin. I look like Adam Sandler. I really want cute pajamas. Like, I really want that. That looks so cute. I'd be like the person who has like really cool pajamas. I'm looking at the mirror right now. You see it down there? You probably don't. I just want this so bad, but it's like 17 bucks or 18. Do you think I should get it? I think it's worth it. Comment down below what your favorite store is. I think that'd be funny. Be yourself, stay cute. I'm already cute. I really like the skirt of this, but then the top is like a minion, so it kind of just ruins it all off. Not that I don't like minions, it's just, I don't think they should put it on shirts. Like, this is like so cute, but like, I don't think you should put it on. So, how's life? I feel like I'm cornered, like everybody's following me. So we're near the accessory aisle, and I'll keep you updated. So, hello, we're still at Target. You know, I just put my hand over them, but I've been liking this. I think I might get it. You think that's cute? Comment down below what I should get, even though when I post this, it will probably be like the next day. I really like this because I do play soccer. I played soccer last spring. And like everybody be obsessed with soccer. Oh, I need to get black leggings. Black leggings come to me. Oh, why do they have like 4 or 5? Yes, they have medium for $6. Yo. Why did I see? Oh, these are yoga pants. What the heck? Why are they selling yoga pants? My gosh. Please sell 7/8 my gosh. Okay, this is a really long vlog. Maybe I shouldn't. Bye guys. Please subscribe down below. Like this video if you want more vlogs. I don't know. Please subscribe.